What's up, everyone? Coming in hot. God, I'm out of breath. I did this like 20 times to perfect it. So, what is it today? It is Thanksgiving. Oh my God, this is not my favorite holiday of the year. My birthday, Halloween, is my favorite holiday of the year. But this is my favorite food holiday of the year. The best food. Literally the only type of food that I look forward to stuffing myself to the point of no return. Seriously. Cereal, steak, scrambled eggs, whatever it may be. I don't look at it and go, I'm gonna eat you until I can't move anymore. But Thanksgiving Day, I know damn well I'm going to that table and I'm stuffing myself to the point where I just feel like I can't walk anymore. And I enjoy it. So here I am, it's a Thanksgiving special, but I am not going to be cooking anything crazy. This is a very simple, basic, quick, run-of-the-mill, like, you're at home, it's Thanksgiving morning, and you're like, what am I going to fucking make today? And you go on YouTube and you look up Thanksgiving recipes, and boom, here I am. I'm here to help you. I'm here. What do I love on Thanksgiving? My favorite thing, candied yams. Sweet potatoes, brown sugar, so delicious. What's the other thing? Pumpkin pie. I don't have anything that we can use for pumpkin pie though. So, what's another pie that I love? Apple pie. Can't go wrong with the all-American apple pie, right? So, where was I at? Oh yeah. God, that thing is boiling. I got inspired by these little, I guess you call them like mug baking recipes, mug desserts. I don't know. It's where they bake a dessert inside of a mug. So I got inspired and I wanted to do a like Thanksgiving kind of themed dessert that's mug dessert style, but I'm not doing it in a mug. So I have no idea where I'm going with this. Anyways, we're going to be making a very simple, easy to make Thanksgiving Ooey Gooey. That's what we're going to call it. The Thanksgiving Ooey Gooey. You're welcome. All right, so first thing we're going to... Oh, wait. What do we need? Sugar, butter, egg, salt, sweet potato, milk, graham crackers, and marshmallows. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to go ahead and peel our sweet potato, okay? After it is peeled and washed, you're going to throw it in your boiling water. And I know, this seems so contradictory. Really need to go back to school. I know I contradict myself. Is that how you say it? Anyways, I know I told you that I love having my skin on my vegetables. I'm a family man. I compromise. Not everyone in this household likes it that way. So, you know, bravo for me. Alright, so while we have our sweet potato boiling, we're going to go ahead and get some of the other ingredients done. I know that I didn't say we needed an apple in the what do we need, but, you know, honestly, I forget I'm human, okay? It's honestly, it's amazing that I even get anything done in life. Besides that, cut up your apple, okay? Time to move on to the next step. Graham cracker time. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and we're just going to crush these up. Graham crackers crushed. Go ahead, take some butter. You're going to melt it, okay? You're going to stick that on in there along with your apples. So now we have our sugar, to toss in there and give it a good mixin'. There, we have it all mixed together. You can see for yourself. Looks and smells delicious. Yeah, so what do we do in the meantime while our potatoes, no, they're not potatoes. What do we do in the meantime while our sweet potato is boiling and we have this already made up? Preheat the oven. All right, your sweet potatoes are now done boiling. You have cut them up into little cubes, or maybe you did that before putting it in the boiling water, which if you want a nice creamy mashed sweet potato, that is what you would want to do. Anyways, you have your sweet potatoes here. They are now cut up into little chunks. We're ready to mash them. But first, we need to add a few things. An egg, some salt, and your milk. Oh my God. First, pour this guy in. Once we have that in there, we're gonna go ahead and take this and we're gonna go over the top. Boom, now it's ready to go in the oven. All right, so now the last part is you are going to take these marshmallows and you're gonna put them on for the last 5 minutes.
Sorry, you just stuck out.
Before we eat, let's give thanks. Let's be thankful that 2020 is almost over. It flew by. Let's not be thankful that people are already setting up for Christmas. It's not even the end of Thanksgiving yet. Like, come on. Seriously, it was like a day after Halloween, people started putting up Christmas lights and decorating Christmas trees. We're here. It's Thanksgiving. It's still November. It's not December yet. Let's not rush ahead. As much as, yes, I would like this year to be over, can we just maybe go a week in December without any Christmas stuff? Am I sounding like a Grinch? Anyways, let's get back to what I'm thankful for. I may not have all my family here with me for Thanksgiving. The kiddos, the momchichis, are with their mother. I'm here with my lady. My family, my parents, sisters, blah, blah, blah. Everyone is all doing their own kind of thing for Thanksgiving because of coronavirus and just trying not to spread, which I hope you guys are doing as well. There's a surge, so keep that in mind. Other than that, I will say that I am thankful that no one in my family has gotten coronavirus, and we all have had good health. And I hope that is the same for you as the viewer back at home. I hope that you are all healthy, yeah, all that good stuff. But overall, just thankful to be in good health and living the life that I'm living. So, with that being said, let's dive into the Thanksgiving Ooey Gooey because I can't figure out what to call it. I don't even know how I came up with this, honestly. It's a little ridiculous, but let's try it. Oh my God, hot. Okay, my battery died, but I'm back and we are juiced. Camera's juiced. We can get back to this. Yeah, no, I would put this on my own dinner table with friends and family around.
If they were here.
the marshmallow with the graham crackers. You know how I would describe this? I would describe this as a Thanksgiving s'more. Yes, that is exactly what it is. It's a Thanksgiving s'more. Guys, it's not a Thanksgiving s'more. It looks nothing like a s'more, but it has two of the ingredients of a s'more. What the fuck am I saying? It still reminds me of a Thanksgiving s'more. I'm not letting it go. It's a Thanksgiving s'more in a dish and not in a sandwich form. It's just a Thanksgiving s'more. Yeah, no, Ooey Gooey sounds better. I think it fits it better. Recipe card will be on my Instagram in my highlighted stories. That way if you want to do it, you can go ahead and do it. Or if you don't want to because you would simply be embarrassed to put this on your table, that's fine with me too. Anyways, it is the day of thanks, like I said, and I didn't say enough thanks. I feel like there's so many more thanks that I need to give this day. And one of those is thank you to all my friends and all my family and anyone who supports me during this unskilled kitchen journey, venture, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, I can't thank you guys enough. This is amazing that I get to do this on my free time and just have fun with it. It gives me something creative to do and I really enjoy it. Yeah, so all around, thank you to everyone who supports me. Let me know in the comments what you are thankful for. Put it on down there. And stay safe, everyone out there. So, yeah, that's pretty much it. Happy Thanksgiving. Cheers.